Small leh. Seriously. No need.
Introducing Kid Aim.
Let go. Where are we at?
Rich mango. Special mango.
Mango.
Which is, mango and water plus mango milk. Woohoo!
Cheers. It's 11:15. We having mango. All playing handphone. First world problem. Only I staring into space. And shopping, and we didn't record, but this is the aftermath of shopping.
Hey, what is this?
It's the cat. I thought that it was a fake cat.
Not loud. Yeah.
More damage.
신용카드 대포가 영수증이 필요하신 분은 영수증 버튼을 눌러주십시오.
휴대폰 없어요.
Then don't need lah. We don't need receipt, right?
It's okay.
She always kena the
Who said to change driver?
me, cause I didn't want to do this. Knew it. Okay, let's go. Parking 12,000 won. Now we go eat jajangmyeon. Time check is 4:11. Oh, you can. Alrighty. It's now 4:55. We're supposed to eat jajangmyeon, but it seems like doesn't work out for the trip. The shop closed. So here we are at a Jeju noodle shop that only sells like a few items. And later we're going to a night market that opens at 6. Okay. Okay, half eaten. All our meals are here. Just FYI, our last meal was at 9:30 a.m. That we never eat anything, Shah? Why we traveling like that? Like New Zealand like that?
It's our first rainy day. Oh. Yeah. 不懂谁要去哪里。
In the rain. All the loot. Is there like a plastic bag we can put the rubbish on?
Here? No, no empty plastic.
What?